Hey everybody, Roger here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic SI. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today I'll be replacing the cabin air filter on this 2008 Civic SI, and the procedure will be similar on a lot of Civics from 2006 to 2011, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Open the glove box and remove any of the contents inside. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release it. It will have stoppers that only allow it to open so far. Once released, the glove box will lower and you should see the cabin air filter housing. Unclip both sides of the housing cover and pull out the housing tray. Once it's removed, you can take the old cabin air filter out of the housing tray. Put the new cabin air filter into the housing tray with the airflow indicator arrow on the filter pointing down. Reinstall the housing tray and snap it into place. Make sure both sides clip and are secure. Raise the glove box back into place and push in on the sides to secure it. Replace any of the contents you took out previously and close it. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day, so if you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.